Hey, how's it going? I'm Raul here from Direct Quality Auto Glass. I'm going to show you guys how we do our preparation for windshields. Of course, as you can tell here on this black frit of the glass, you can see there's already oil. There's a lot of fingerprints. It seems like this guy had maybe some Carl's Jr. for lunch and touched the windshield right after. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what we do. The biggest thing here, of course, Scotch-Brite. This is the part number. This is the box that we use. They always come in these bigger pieces. You could always, of course, cut them to your liking. We usually cut them pretty small. There's also the sponges. Of course, I know Sika makes these. We use Sika products here at the shop. But if you really wanted to buy these in bulk, you can go to the Sponge Outlet website and you can just buy these by sizes. They come in big squares. You just cut them at your liking. Of course, paper towels. We always carry microfibers just for little minor touch-ups if we need it. And of course, in these bottles, I just have the Berco glass cleaner. So I wanted to show you guys real quick. So our first thing, what we always do, I'm only going to do this bottom part just to show you guys. Just always just spray a little bit. Got some paper towels. I'm kind of churning it as I go, just so that way I'm not rubbing the exact same. I'm not all the contaminants. I'm not, rubbing. As you can tell, it's pretty clean. We're gonna go ahead and spray it again. I'll be completely honest with you guys. A lot of people say that this is a little bit of an overkill, but I really care about the customer safety. Go back and forth, back and forth. Don't be the guy that just goes like that. No, you really want to push into it. Like you really want to put that work in. So put the elbow grease into it. There we go. I have definitely found that it is a whole lot easier and a whole lot better. You get better results when you're sponging, when you use your sponge as well, but when you're also using these. Of course, once you start using these are a one-time use only. I'm gonna grab just some paper. See? Take a look. I don't know if the camera will actually catch it, but there's actually a lot of little scratches now on the black frit. That's actually really good, especially if you're going to be using the new primerless urethane that's coming out from Sika. Our next step, what we actually do, once again, everyone says, bro, that's just an overkill of what you're doing. I don't care. Grab your sponge. Don't be that guy that goes from far away. I see that way too many times. Grab your sponge. Every section you want to go ahead and clean. Every section. I'm definitely putting some work into it, and you'll see what my sponge is going to look like afterwards. And this is just the bottom, and I'll be completely honest with you guys, since I'll use maybe 2 sponges when I'm doing the full windshield, just depending on, of course, how bad it is. I'm putting my hand underneath it because I don't want to put a lot of pressure on the glass, so I'm going to go ahead and, of course, lift it. See, it's not too dirty, but it's okay. So check this out. As you can see, there's depending on the angle you're looking at it from, you will see that there's like a really rich dark spot. I will always say, and of course I could definitely be wrong, but I really feel when you're using the Scotch-Brite pads and you're really scuffing into it, you're really just removing a lot of like the excessive overspray or whatever may be on the frit, meaning you're leaving a full clean surface. And in this case, I would just go ahead and apply activator. I'll definitely apply primer, of course, depending on the situation or the scenario that I'm in. Other than that, this is really good. I've tested this for P2G Plus. I've tested this for our Mach 30. and I haven't had any issues. I haven't had that problem where you take off the glass and it starts to separate. Like I always have a strong bonding surface with this. But if you guys have an input, if you think I'm overdoing it or underdoing it, please let me know. The main key, always wear nitro gloves. Once you're fully done with the preparation of the glass, flip the glass upside down so that way you don't get any contaminants or you don't get any bird poop. If you're doing mobile service, that's happened to me where bird poop will actually land back on the print and you have to prep the whole surface. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care.